Hey guys, it's Thomas. So, it's Thursday again, and today I've got a useful print for you guys. So, the print I have for you today is this. You may not have even seen it. So what this is a case for my GoPro. The Hero 3, in fact, that I use for all my time lapses. This thing's a great camera, and I use it for recording videos when I ski. I hook it up to my helmet, which I haven't actually done yet. So, I printed this in my Nova black PLA. Stuff's amazing. So, the overhangs did actually really well. It printed flat. The overhang did just amazing, as you can see. Printed at 0.15mm layer height, a 200-degree nozzle with 50% infill for strength purposes. So, I actually broke my original case. I broke the little hinge and I couldn't put it back on. So basically, the GoPro just snaps in. See, it goes in like that. Then what's really cool about this is you can charge it while you're filming. This is a big plus for me for longer time lapses because the battery on this thing only lasts like 4 hours. I got a 32 gig SD card, which I'm actually recording on right now to class 10er. So, yeah, and here I've got the GoPro mount, and once you print it, all there really is to it is putting it on, making sure the holes line up in this, and then screwing it on, like so. Go in, go in. There. So it just goes in, and that's really all there is to this thing. So, I really wanted to use my new webcam I put up there. I know you guys can't see it, it's right up there. As an above cam, but I didn't really find it useful. Sorry, my camera battery ran out. But that's basically everything I've got to say about this print. It's a really nice print. It prints in about 2 hours. I'll put the link in the description if you just so happen to need one of these. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like that smash button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you can get notified of any new content. So, bye.